Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change mug color in Vistaprint. All right. So for example, you're working on a mug right here. Make sure that you select a mug design that got a color change option in it. For example, these ones right here, when you select this design, you won't be able to change the mug color. As you can see here, it only has white, but this one, it got blue or navy blue, white, and black. Okay. For example, you chose this one. When you go to the editor, you won't be able to change the mug color, the base color. Make sure again to select a mug design that has these, okay? These colors available. Now, let's say, for example, we choose this one. Just click on it. Now, let's maybe select a random color right here, like light purple, and here's preview. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and browse a design, okay? Maybe this design right here. Edit. Okay. Now, while we're here in the editor, you can go ahead and choose the color by just going to the left panel and click on design color. Right here, if you want it to be red, like so, just wait for it to update. And once done, your base color right here will be changed as well, or your mug color. Like so. That is it. Again, if you have chosen a template, or a mug design that doesn't have any color changes or color options, you won't be able to change it. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.